to be given, hindi pa pala actually given po, no? About to receive a recognition from the Alumni Association of Santa Catalina College. Kwento ko lang po kung paano po nagsimula itong aming journey ni Ma'am Alice. I think it started with the cover photo. With the cover photo of Facebook. Because in that cover photo po, I stated that indeed I am very lucky that I attended the 2012 Federation of Asian Pharmacists Association Convention in Bali, Indonesia. Because when I was still a student, I had the chance to present a paper in 1988. So after 24 years, I came back to Bali, Indonesia, and I emerged as the chairman of one of the sections of the Asian Pharmacy Congress. And I was so pleased and honored na hindi po lahat ng, siguro po, ng tao nagkakaroon ng pagkakataon na nagsimula bilang estudyante at that time sa UST po, College of Pharmacy, and at the same time, the president of the Federation of Junior Chapters of the Philippine Pharmaceutical Association. Yun po yung association ng mga pharmacy students. And to be the representative, the lone representative, student representative to present the paper in a pharmacy congress. And then after 24 years po, bumalik ako doon, nakasama ko na po yung mga leaders in Asia po in the field of pharmacy. So nung nakita po ni Ma'am Alice yung cover photo ko, tsaka may description, doon na po nagsimula yung aming exchange of messages po. And then she said that she will be giving me some sort of a recognition during the alumni gathering po. Ang sabi po ni Ma'am, kung mag-a-attend po ako. Ang sabi ko po sa kanya, hindi ko pa po sigurado kung makaka-attend ako because there are times that I'm out of town or out of the country para po to deliver speeches po before students and professionals. But then she said po, if you won't be able to come, just please send a representative. So, nagtanong po ako, Ma'am, bakit po representative? Ba't kailangan po may representative? And then she said, you deserve to be recognized by the school. So, doon po, so malaki po ang role ng social networking. Hindi po ako taga-Facebook, pero malaki pong bagay yon to reach out to other graduates po of our school. So, actually po, hindi po talaga ako nag-prepare ng speech para dito po. But then, for so many years po, noong fourth year college po, right after I graduated from college, I was also lucky to be one of the finalists for the 10 Outstanding Students of the Philippines. Part po ako nung parang, ano po ito parang nung ni-revive po yung 10 Outstanding Students of the Philippines ng RFM. At that time po, I think I sent also a communication to Santa Catalina College informing them that I'm one of the finalists. When I was also appointed by President Arroyo as member of the Board of Pharmacy, I also communicated to Santa Catalina College, another milestone in my life. And when I assumed the chairman position in 2011 of the Board of Pharmacy, I also sent a communication to Santa Catalina College. Bakit po? Because every time po na nakakatanggap po ako ng award, recognition, naniniwala po ako that I owe it to the school where I came from. I started po sa Santa Catalina College nursery. Nursery po hanggang high school. So talaga pong kumbaga sasabihin nyo talagang true blue po ako, kahit red tayo tsaka beige. True blue po ako na taga-Kata. So, kumbaga po, kung isipin naman po natin sa Dominican side, true blue din po ako na Dominican because UST naman pagdating ng BS Pharmacy. Yung law school ko po sana, UST pa rin I started my Bachelor of Laws at the UST right after pharmacy. But then, kailangan pong magtrabaho, so I had to stop sa law school. And then, I came back po, parang malapit din naman sa Santa Catalina, lumipat po ako sa Arellano University. Pero hindi naman po dito sa tabi natin, doon po sa TAF. Dahil dati po, naalala ko, when I was still in Kata, yung law school po ng Arellano, nandito po, di ba? Natatandaan ko noon, si Lydia Florentino po, yung best friend ko po nung high school, ng grade school, yung brother niya po sa Arellano nag-aaral sa law school. So yun po, kaya po medyo nalipat ako, but then again, masasabi ko po na yung aking 21 years po, hindi naman 21 kasi 5 years old naman ako sa nursery. So yung 16 years ko po ng pag-aaral, lahat po yon nangyari po sa Dominican School. So kung ano po man ako today, kung ano man po yung narating ko ngayon, utang ko po yon sa school na pinanggalingan. Sa palagay ko naman po, wala namang dedebate pa sa akin o makikipag-diskurso na kung ano po tayo ngayon dahil po sa Santa Catalina College. Kaya, diba, para naman sa atin yun, applause po. So, sana po, next year po, sa mga susunod po ng mga alumni homecoming, sana po hindi lang po tayo-tayo ang nandito. Kasi parang minsan po, nasasayang naman yung effort nung batch. Like ngayon po, ang ganda-ganda nung preparation ng batch 87. O, di ba, palakpak naman dyan. Di ba? Siyempre po, hindi pinabayaan ng mga batch 87, especially po, nasa na po si Rowena Paz. Opo, si Rowena Paz po at ang mga kasamahan niya sa 1987, hindi po pinabayaan. So sana po, di ba merong kuya, okay ka lang? So sana naman po, next time po, mas marami pa po ang magpupunta dito. Tulungan po tayo. So, alam po natin, ang Santa Catalina College ay nandito na sa, ay grabe, di ba? 300 taon. Oo, parang 100 taon lang po ang angat ng University of Santo Tomas. So kung ano po dapat ang kasikatan ng University of Santo Tomas, dapat po ganun din kasikat ang Santa Catalina College. Sabi po, di ba, historically, palakpak na uli. Historically po, di ba, ang Santa Catalina College ang oldest girls' school po managed by sisters po. Opo. Kasi ang Santa Isabel daw po yata, hindi naman na religious po. Opo, hindi po religious ang nag-ooperate, di po ba? Lay. Pero kung compare po natin, tutuusin po lumalabas ang Santa Catalina College, ang pinaka matanda na or the oldest school managed by Dominican sisters. So dapat po, sabi nga po ng ating SEC hymn, we're proud and loyal Catherinians. Di po ba? So kailangan po kung tayo po proud being Catherinians, kailangan po loyal din tayo. So yung mga anak nyo, yung mga apo nyo, siguraduhin nyo na dito po mag-aaral para tuloy-tuloy po ang Santa Catalina College. Hindi lang po ngayon, hanggang another 100 years pa o isa pa. Of course po, hindi tayo abot ng 100 years naman. 144 na po ako noon, pag 100 years pa po. So sana po, hello po, yung mga batch 84, o diba? So very informal po yung speech ko na pinresent po sa inyo. So kung, in a nutshell po, I would like to thank Ma'am Alice for giving me this recognition. And this is indeed very meaningful for me because this is, I think, the first award or recognition that I will receive or I have received or whatever right after I graduated in 1985. And I would like to use this recognition to be able to help Santa Catalina College in any way that I could. And of course, I would like to share this with my batchmates, batch 81 of high school, batch 85 batch 81 of grade school, batch 85 of high school, and also I would like to share with this award or recognition with batch 84. Yung 84, medyo sumigaw naman. And of course, sa inyo pong lahat, hindi lang naman po ito para sa akin, para po to sa ating lahat. Kung ano man po yung na-achieve ko, hindi po yun personal achievement, but it is an achievement of the institution, which is Santa Catalina College. So once again, I would like to thank everyone po. And I hope that in my own little way, I have inspired fellow Catherinians. Good afternoon.
Wow. Another round of applause, please, for Miss Jennifer.
So may I request Sister to please come in front? I will read the content of the plaque of recognition. Okay. Santa Catalina College Alumni Association Incorporated presents this plaque of recognition to Miss Jennifer Flores in appreciation as President of the Federation of Junior Chapters of the Philippine Pharmaceutical Association, a lone Philippine student delegate who attended the 1988 FAPA Congress to present a paper about the pharmacy internship program in the Philippines. She was appointed by PGMA as member of the Board of Pharmacy at the Professional Regulations Commission in 2005. And in 2006 up to the present, she is the chairman of the Regulatory, Ethics, and Pharmaceutical Legislation section of FAPA, and awarded an Outstanding Pharmacist for Government Service Award in 2012 at the Philippine Pharmacists Association and United Laboratories Incorporated. Her good foundation in the Santa Catalina College, Manila, is a result of her achievements and dedication to work, is inspiring and deserving of emulation. Given this 17th day of November 2012 at the Santa Catalina College, Ligarda, Manila, signed by yours truly, Alice Lucas.
Yes! Congratulations, Jennifer Flores.
You will read some more, ma'am. Okay.
There's two more.
The floor is yours, ma'am.
Okay, another plaque of recognition shall be given to the past President Joe Constantino, who is out of town at the moment, and the content of the text is like this. The Santa Catalina College Alumni Association Incorporated presents this plaque of recognition to Joe Constantino in deep gratitude and appreciation for indefatigably working for the cause of SCCCI. Despite her busy schedule, she continues to show concern for all SCCAI activities and striving to be present in our annual Grand Alumni Homecoming. Her dedication and love for SCC has blazed a trail for all of us to emulate. Given the 17th day of 2012 on the occasion of 2012 Grand Alumni Homecoming in Manila, Philippines. So, would you like to show a video of her? No need? Okay. So another is for Dr. Roan. The content is the Santa Catalina College Alumni Association, Inc., presents this plaque of appreciation to Roan Isidro de Castro, Dr., for her unselfish contribution and unwavering support for the cause of SCCAI. Despite her busy schedule, she continues to show concern for all SCCAI activities. Her work ethics and unconditional devotion and loyalty to SCC is inspiring and deserving of emulation. Giving the 17th day of November 2012 on the occasion of the 2012 Grand Alumni Homecoming in the Manila, Philippines. Thank you. Congratulations to the awardees.
Congratulations once again to Miss Jo, Dr. Rowan, and Miss Jennifer. Nakakatuwa lang talaga, Glenn, that our school has produced remarkable people like them, like the three of them, of course, like you, like me,
Like us!
Lahat yan.
Sama nyo na ako dyan, pwede naman ako din.
Of course,
Okay.
the more the merrier.
Yes.
So, raffle tayo.
Yes, it's time to do some raffle one more time, and we'll be giving away 10 pieces of 500 pesos worth of SM gift cards. And
Okay.
ano pa ba?
We have the rule. There are rules that are set para sa raffle, so...
Oo nga pala. Oo, so we'll just pick out your names from dun sa box na yon. Tapos, please come forward to let us know na nandito po kayo, because if we call your name and wala pong lumapit, we will be picking out another name.
Yes, after
Yan.
that, 10 pieces ng 500 pesos. Meron pang isang flat iron, 1 DVD player, and $50 from
Wow!
Ang dami
Grand Ray Tours of Miss
Diba?
Emily Ramos di Makulangan.
raffle.
Emily, tayo ka naman, Emily! Tayo ka. Ayan, si Emily po ay may travel agency. Kung meron nyo kayong travel requirement, kay Emily di Makulangan lang po. Mura ho yan. Pwede mo pang Gibbs. Basta Catherine.
Okay, eto na yung ating raffle box.
Yes! Our first winner ng 500 pesos. Ikaw naman. The winner is... Edna Victa. Miss
Okay.
Edna. Hey! Grace, sa baba na lang.
Next winner.
Okay, next winner. Next winner of 500 peso. Grace Ramos. Ikaw,
Grace
ayun.
Ramos.
Yay! Ano ba yan? Next winner, 500 pesos. Helen Jonicio.
Ellen Janicio.
Helen Jonicio.
Congratulations to you.
Grace. Grace, Miss Helen Jonicio there.
Taas nyo lang po yung kamay nyo. Ayan, siya pala.
Yay!
Our fourth winner.
Fourth winner, Rowena Paz. Yay!
Wow.
Ayan na talent fee mo limandaan. Nanalo ka na.
Congratulations.
Ayun, next winner. Ay, ako din. Ako, may mata. Woo! Nanalo
Glenda
ako. Thank
Heckman.
you. Bawal i-wave.
Pang 6 na ba yan? Sixth winner.
Okay, last na to. Flat iron. Winner of flat iron goes to Emily Ramos. Yeah.
Emily Ramos, congratulations to you.
Bawal mag-wave. Blessing yan. DVD player. DVD player.
Sana, akin sana.
DVD player goes to
Miss Mirasol Undag, 1986.
Are you
87. Wow, Mira! Si Mirasol po ay galing pa sa Laguna. Ayan.
Wow, congratulations. Yun na ba yun?
Siya, ang sponsor po natin yan ay ating buting doktora, ang ating dermatologist, Miss Nova de la Cruz. Thank you so much, Doc. Yan, for your beautiful beautification project.
Wow.
Yung batch 87 po. Siya po ay dermatologist ngayon. Ha? Sa House of Obaji, sister. Come on.
Wow.
House of Obaji.
Sigatin.
Pang-botox
Tanggal ang wrinkles.
Correct. And $50 po from Emily Ramos goes to
Wow.
$50.
Buena pass na naman.
Hindi. Rose Riliera. Rose Riliera.
Nasaan si Rose? Raise your hand.
Rose Riliera.
Wala yata. Lumabas
Wala
tayo.
siya? Wala? Oh, sayang.
We'll pick out another one. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
another winner of $50 goes to, nanalo na ako, sayang. Goes to Cynthia Cynthia pakibasa? Hindi ko mabasa. Cynthia Picaro po. Pigones. Yay! Yay!
Congratulations.
$50, ma'am.
US dollars yan, ha?
US dollars po.
Wow.
Ma'am, sorry. Is she supposed to be here? Sorry. That's
That's
the
okay.
rule.
We'll pick out another
Sorry
one.
po. Another winner of $50, Teresita. Ulit.
Parang ayaw mag-land ng $50 kung kanino. Ano? Kanino kaya magla-land yun?
Mailap ang $50.
Teresita Silva. Monte. Hey!
Congratulations. $50 for you.
Come on! From Emily Ramos, Grand... Emily, liga dito!
Thank you so much. So, as mentioned earlier po, our batch is co-hosting the event with batch 62. So, kung kami po kanina ay nag-prepare ng napaka-cool dance moves, no? Meron din pong prepare ang ating mga tita. Just to tell all of us, just to show all of us na meron pa silang mga asim.
Siyempre naman. Okay, so get ready, Catharinas. Let's give a round of applause to this year's Golden Jubilarians, okay? Batch 1962 with their special dance number.
Hey!
Take it away!
like this before. Yes, I swear it's a truth, and I owe it all to you.
'Cause I had the time of my life, and I owe it all to you.
I've been waiting for so long, now I finally found someone to stand by me.
We saw the writing on the wall as we felt this magical fantasy.
Now with passion in our eyes, there's no way we could disguise secretly. So we take each other's hand, 'cause we seem to understand the urgency.
I think he gets this from me.
Just remember,
You were the one thing.
I can't get enough of.
So I'll tell you something.
This could be love.
Because
This way before, yes I swear
Wow. Yehey! Wow!
Thank you po.
Wow!
Did you see the move?
Of course! Once again, for Batch 62! Ang galing! Grabe!
Imagine that, Glenn.
Hindi ko alam if I can still dance at that age.
Oh, yes.
Seryoso.
Oo, 50 years after high school,
Oo.
fighting struts sila.
Correct.
Oo.
Di ba tayo tawag sa clinic? Di naman Wala naman. Wala tatawagin sa clinic.
Tubig daw,
Tubig lang po, tubig.
Oh.
Tubig. Oh, wow. Galing talaga, tita. Grabe.
At of course, being this year's Golden Jubilarians, I'm sure meron din silang mga special message naman na gustong iparating din sa ating lahat.
With that, it is our pleasure to call on the President of Batch 62, Mrs. Bing Pascual Santos, to deliver their collective message for all of us. Tita Bing!
Let's welcome
Tita Bing!
Pascual.
Well, that was a really nice presentation. Talagang may ibubuga pa kami, ano? Anyway, okay. It was a graduation day of March 1962, and 62 of us marched on that day. We were 15, 16, or 17 years old at that time. After the ceremony, everyone moved on with their lives, and we all took different paths. Fast forward 50